so strong!
Armor integrity at 72%. Repairs in process.
Oh my god, thank you! You're the fucking man!
No, and my dad would really like it if you didn't say, fuck!
Zoe!
I know, Dad. It just slipped.
Mm-hmm. Seems to be slipping a lot lately.
Why don't we talk about this after I make Mr. Bad Teeth unconscious?
Repairs complete. Full capabilities restored.
Ha, that's what I wanted to hear. You want power? I'll give you power.
I want more! Wait! No! No more! No more!
Oh, stop it. Stop it. I mean, don't totally stop. A little bit is okay. You can clap. Yeah, that feels right. You're welcome.
Not to ruin your moment, but I need you up here pronto.
Dad, can we please skip the lecture about swearing?
It's not that. There's, someone here to see you.
Too much too soon? Yeah, too much too soon.
Sorry, let me just see if I can sum this up. Omni Man is good now.
Pretty much, yeah.
And you want me to help him and you and Invincible fight 50 eviler and possibly stronger Omni-Mans way out there somewhere in space?
I would have said Omni Men, but yes, whatever.
If they're not stopped, they're gonna come here, kill millions, and take over Earth?
Yeah, that's about it. It is terrifyingly simple. Does this mean you're in?
I'll whip up some sandwiches for your trip.
You're not going to try to talk her out of this?
That's not really his vibe.
Always happy to see my baby girl doing the right thing.
Love you, Dad.
I love you too, Zoe.
Oh, you guys, you know, I know we just met, but I kind of feel like we've earned this. Come here.